Hello everyone, we are going to solve the fourth question from the exercise 5.2 from the chapter Arithmetic Progressions from 10th standard CBSE board. My name is Vaishali Fulari. Welcome back to my channel Vaishali's mathematics classes. Let us read out the fourth question. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Here AP is given to us and the term 78 is given. What will be the nth term so that it will be the 78? Which means an is equals to 78 is given to us. We should understand that. We'll write the given data. Given AP is 3, 8, 13, 18 and also we have an is equals to 78. These two things are given to us. From this we can write a1 is the 3, a2 is 8, a3 is the 13 and a4 is equals to 18. From this we can write first term a is equals to 3. Next, we can calculate the common difference. D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 8 minus A1 is the 3. 8 minus 3 is the 5. Why we need to find first term and the common difference? Because an is equals to 78. We are asked what is the value of the n here. We know the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. There we have to substitute the values of a and d. For that purpose we found these two terms. We know that an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 78 equal to a is 3 plus n minus 1 into d value is the 5. Send this 3 to the other side, it become minus 78 minus 3 equals to n minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3 is the 75 equal to n minus 1 into 5. N minus 1 is equals to, if it goes other side it will be divided. 75 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. N minus 1 is equals to 15. N is equals to 15 plus 1. It is the 16. N is equals to 16 we got. What is this? Therefore, the 16th term is 78. Therefore, 16th term is 78. Fifth question is, find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Here APs are given to us and we are asked how many terms are there in this series. Means we are asked what is the value of the n here. The given AP is 7, 13, 19 and so on 205. Here first term a equals to the 7 and an is equals to 205 and what is the value of the n here? We know that an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we have to calculate the d also. This is the formula for the nth term in the given series of the AP. The common difference d is calculated as common difference D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 13. 13 minus 7 is the 6. From this formula, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Substitute the values here. An is equals to 205. A plus a is 7 plus n minus 1 into d is the 6. Take this 7 to other side. It will be 205 minus 7 equal to n minus 1 into 6. Just to interchange here, n minus 1 into 6 equals to 205 minus 7 is 198. 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 1 is remained, again 6 3s are 18. N minus 1 is equals to 33. N is equals to 33 plus 1, which is equals to 34. Therefore, in the given AP, there are 34 terms. Therefore, there are 34 terms in 7, 13 and so on till the 205 in this AP. In this fifth question, let us solve the second bit. Here, this is the given AP, 18, 15 integer 1 by 2, 13 and so on. Last term is the 47. Here also we are asked how many terms are there in this total list of the numbers. We'll write A1 is equals to 18, A2 is equals to 15, 1 by 2 is there, 15 2s are 30, 30 plus 1 is the 31 by 2. Next A1, A2, A3 is 13. Here An is minus 47 because we don't know how many terms are there. So An is equals to minus 47. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into d. This is the formula for the n terms in the AP. For that we need A, n and the d. We can find out the A and d, but finally we will get the value of the n here, not now, because n value we don't know. First term, A is equals to 18. To calculate the common difference, D is equals to A2 minus A1. What is the A2 here? A2 is 31 by 2 minus A1 is 18. 2 is the LCM. 31 minus 18 into 2 is 36. 31 minus 36 is the minus 5 by 2. 31 minus 36 divided by 2 is there. So that's why we'll get minus 5 by 2. So D is equals to minus 5 by 2 and A is equals to 18. Let us substitute here. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is minus 47 is equals to A is 18 plus n minus 1 into D value is minus 5 by 2. Send this plus 18 to other side. It will be minus 47 minus 18 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Both are having the same signs. After adding them, we'll get minus 65 is equals to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. 5 1s are 5 13s are minus minus will get cancelled. 13 is equals to n minus 1 by 2. To get the value of the n, send this 13 to other side. It will be 13 2s are 20. 6 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equals to 27. Therefore, 27 terms are there in this given AP. Let us take the question number 6. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5 and 2. Here the AP is given to us. Whether this minus 150 belongs to this AP or not, that we need to find here. Write down the given list of the numbers here. Given AP is 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. From this we can write A1 is the 11, A2 is 8, A3 is 5 and A4 is the 2. First term A equals to 11. Get the common difference. D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is 8. A1 is 11. 8 minus 11 is the minus 3. D equals to minus 3 we got. Here minus 150, whether is it belongs to this AP or not, means AN is equals to minus 150 we have to take. Write down the formula for the AN. What is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D is equals to minus 150. Substitute the values for A and the D in this above equation. A is 11 plus n minus 1 into D is minus 3 equals to minus 150. N minus 1 into minus 3 equals to minus 150 plus 11. If it goes other side, it will become minus 11. N minus 1 into minus 3 equals to minus 150 minus 11. The addition of these two gives us minus 161. From this we can write n minus 1 is equals to minus 161 divided by minus 3. Minus minus will get cancelled. 3 ones are 3. 3 5s are 15. 1 is remain. 3 3s are 9. Again 2 will be remain. 0.0. 3 6 are 18. Again 2 is remain. 3 6 are 18. N minus 1 is equals to 53.66. N is equals to plus 1. It will become, if it goes to the next side, it will be 53.66 plus 1. It is 54.66. Here we got the n value as 54.66. We got the value which is in the decimal point. So n never be a decimal value, means minus 150 is not a term of this AP. Minus 150 is not a term of given AP. Because n is a decimal. Next question, that is question number 7. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is the 73. Here two terms are given. One is the 11th term and second one is the 16th term, and we are asked what will be the 31st term. We know the formula for 11th term, 16th term as well the 13th term. With the help of these two terms, let us get the value for the 31. Let's do it. Given data is, what is that? 11th term equals to 38 and 16th term is equals to 73. If it is the 11th term, then we can write A11 is equals to 38 and A16 is equals to 73. From this we know A11 is A plus 10 into D is equals to 38 and A16 will be A plus 15D is equals to 73. Okay, for this we will call as the equation number 1 and for this we will call it as the equation number 2. Solving these two equations with the help of the elimination method. Solving equation number 1 and 2 by using elimination method. A plus 10D is equals to 38 and A plus 15D equal to 73. Minus, minus and minus. Plus A minus A will get cancelled. Minus 15 plus 10 is the minus 5D equals to minus 73 plus 38. 13 minus 8 is the 5. Here will be 6. 6 minus 3 is the minus 3. Minus minus will get cancelled. 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are. D is equals to 7 we got. Put D is equals to 7 in equation number 1 so that we can get the value of the A. Put D is equals to 7 in equation number 1. What is our equation number 1? A plus 10D equals to 38. A we have to find out plus 10 into D is the 7 equals to 38. A plus 70 is equals to 38. A is equal to 38 minus 70. This will be the 32. We'll get the minus 32. Now we have A and the D. It's easy to get the 31st term of this AP with the help of the formula. By solving these two equations, we have A is equals to minus 32 and D is equals to 7. Then 31st term, that is A31 is equals to A plus 30 into D. A31 equals to A is minus 32 plus 30 into D value is the 7 minus 32 plus 30 into 7 is the 210. The subtraction of this gives us 178. A31 is equals to 178. This is our required answer. Here we will write, therefore, the 31st term is equals to 178. So, in this video, we have solved the question number 4 to question number 7. We will see the next problems in my next videos. Keep watching my videos. Take care and thank you.